One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.